Hello everyone, this is a quick tips video involving Steam on Linux. If you're a gamer that has their games on a second drive, then depending on how you installed Steam, you might experience it not being able to link to that secondary drive. This video focuses on Fedora, but it should work with Debian and Ubuntu-based distros as well. If you're not already installed, go to your software manager and install KDE Partition Manager and Flatseal. Open KDE Partition Manager, enter your password of ASK, and find the drive that has your games. Right-click it and choose Edit Mount Point. If you have more than one partition on the drive, right-click on the right partition for your games and then choose Edit Mount Point. For Identify By, you might be okay leaving it as device known, but I prefer to change it to UUID. This is basically telling Linux how to identify the partition. Click the Select button, and it should open in your home directory. Click the New Folder button and give it a name. I like to keep it simple and just call it Games. Click OK to save it, then click OK again. Highlight the full path you just added. It should look like /home/username/games. Right-click it and choose Copy. Click OK. You'll be asked to save the changes, so just click Save Changes. And then right-click on the partition with your games and choose Mount. Now you can close KDE Partition Manager. Next, we need to go to Flatseal. Open that, and once in, find Steam in the left column. Click it and then scroll down on the right side until you find File System. Click on the new pad icon and paste the text we copied previously by right-clicking and choosing Paste. If for some reason it won't paste, it's not a big deal, just manually type it in. Remember, it should look like /home/username/games. Make sure you use capital letters if you did earlier. You can now close Flatseal. Finally, open Steam and navigate to Settings and then Storage. If your drive isn't listed, just click Add Drive and choose the folder you created in your home folder. Once selected, click on the three-dot button and choose Make Default. Now when you go to your Steam library, your game should be able to launch. I hope you found this video guide helpful, and if you have any suggestions or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.